Come here. Me done tell you from last night. Why? When me I go, and me no want me late.
And from this morning, but don't tell you why I'm late.
But that now make no sense. If me tell you what me I do, you know, just get up early and do what you have to do.
I'm not gonna argue with you about this, you know. I'm not gonna argue with you about this. Cause guess what? You know, some me not leave the place like that. Some of that have to do what I have to do.
Oh boy. Woman.
Woman what, Trevor? Woman what? Listen, I'm gonna come categorize with you. Not even know if I call them.
What you say? Me not categorize you with no woman. Cause me know that you try to say. See? Me just say, you'd make me late.
You really want me to tell you why you're late? You want to know the real reason? But then again, you already know. Someone I need to tell you. I want to remind you.
It's alright. Just forget it.
Look, G-Code, what me not understand is where is the container with the building supplies were supposed to deliver for me?
What you mean? That's supposed to ship from about a month ago. So it should reach by now. No. So where the papers for that day? What? That now make no sense, G-Code.
Alright, so tell me something. Between me and you hear about no container down there with gun? Oh. So what? So how that not get make news?
Oh. So the agency people can be dead. Alright, I have a good idea what going on. But, Code, we still need to find my container. You sure you don't see nothing with no other papers with my name? Alright. I call the boy Nicholas over so and hear what him say. Yeah man, cause him supposed to ship them off. Yeah, the people them don't know nothing because me do it as a surprise. For just build the thing them for them. So I'm sending the supplies but in a reach. I know what this foolishness about weapons in a container with my name. Yeah man, I'll call him now. Yeah man, me make you know what going on. Cool. So what? You not answer your phone?
If I did want answer, I would answer it.
So I will call you.
Trevor, I don't know. I never look.
Oh, you mean you never look? Eh? You don't need to look for see I will call you. Suppose I have something to do with Kamisha.
And a Kamisha call me.
I never say she call you. I say if I something to do with she.
Well,
but me really can't understand. First you say, oh you know say I know somebody I call you about Kamisha.
Because she don't know her grandmother and I know my mother ringtone.
So hold on. You don't want to talk to the person in front of me. And that's the problem. You don't want me to know who.
Trevor, Dave call me. Dave.
Oh, you never see smoke without fire.
Hello, sir. Listen, I don't have time for this, and I know what you think here. I know what you think.
Oh, you know what I think? Eh? I notice say you go home go spend 2 days, and since you come up back, they ever call you? I want to go on.
Nothing I'm going.
Camille, I don't want you to take me for idiot, you know. Me no fool, me no big head body in this.
Trevor, babe, I no want to talk about it, alright?
Right now, let me tell you something. Me want to talk about it. See?
What really are going?
Trevor, we can go where we go. You're gonna see you late.
No worry about that. I want to know what going.
I know what's up.
Yan him the back. You can't tell me, you know.
Nicholas. Yeah, Virgin. Walk to the container with my building supplies. What? So, hold on. When did you plan to call me and tell me that? What you mean? Virgin, that's unprofessional. It's almost a month now, you know. And if it delay, you have to tell me say it delay.
Dave put him on time with you by the horse.
What you say? Oh, what joking you tell? And you not tell me this?
That's I'm never want to tell him, you know.
How dare you put him on pan and you not tell me what I want?
Babe, I know say, I never want to tell you. I know say I said I go behave, that's why.
Come in. A boy put him on pan my baby mother. And you think so me I go take it light, so?
I don't like him to lick me, no. Him just grab me. I'ma deal with it, so I'ma never feel like I have to tell you.
How you deal with it?
I'ma flash him off. I'ma tell him say if him do it again, I'ma go 6 and my baby father go deal with him.
Hey, may I tell you one the boy there, you know. Tell him say no put him on pan here again, you know. Or else him a... Yo. You know what? Power.